What's that sound? What's that smell? Is it supposed to be doing that? Did it do it last year? As homeowners, these questions seem inevitable when it comes to our HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems, but they don't have to be. To find out how you can avoid these problematic questions, stay tuned. Hello, and thank you for watching the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Today, I'm going to share with you the benefits you can expect to enjoy from regular yearly maintenance. Modern technology and comfort are great. We get to choose the temperature of our homes, the warmth of our water, and enjoy light and entertainment when we want. That is, until something isn't working. We all know the frustration and inconvenience of having a day's plan come to a screeching halt to figure out what's wrong. This type of headache is exactly what regular maintenance helps prevent. HVAC, plumbing, and electrical tune-ups provide peace of mind that your home is in good shape for another year. It also gives you a chance to ask questions and learn more about your home. As Indiana's home experts, Peterman techs love helping to educate our customers about their home. This helps you feel empowered in your decisions and in knowing your home works. Finally, in the event something is about to go wrong, tune-ups can help catch those problems before they ruin your day. Knowing what to expect can help you avoid a potential disaster or at least let you prepare so you're not caught off guard. And that's our show. Have you been neglecting your regular maintenance? Maybe need a tune-up? We'd be happy to help out, and be sure to ask your tech about the Peterman Protection Club. It's the best way to ensure your home stays protected year-round. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.